The Road Commission for Oakland County is working on the improvement of 3.8 miles of Milford Road in Milford Township. This $5 million plus project extends from just north of Pontiac Trail to the southern border of the village of Milford. Let's have a look. This project involves resurfacing Milford Road as well as including safety features like widening intersection approaches and the addition of a center left turn lane from Lakefield Parkway to Country Court. Here, you can see the preparation for the improvement of Milford Road at Maple Road. During construction, access to area businesses such as this roadside farmers market are kept open. A key aspect of this project is the improvement of drainage along the Milford Road corridor. The primary contractor for this project is Ajax Paving of Troy, Michigan, working under the supervision of the Road Commission for Oakland County. Various work areas along the route are selected to assure the least impact on the surrounding community. The contractors in the Road Commission for Oakland County are working hard to keep traffic moving along this critical two-lane thoroughfare with a keen eye on safety. Some delays are inevitable, but the road remains open. Improving the road with a fresh new asphalt surface is being done in large part with federal dollars. $3.9 million in all on this project alone. Milford Township and the Road Commission for Oakland County are also contributing to the cost, as is Oakland County General Government through the Tri-Party Program. The Milford Road improvement is expected to be completed in November.